going on, YouTube? Alright. So, oh shit. Welcome back to Albert Hypothesis. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use one of these bad boys. You see this? Digital circuit breaker finder. We're on our way to work right now, so I'll see you guys in a bit. We're here at work already. Like I said, we're gonna be testing this bad boy right here, and I'm gonna be showing you guys some other stuff. This one is sitting way higher, so we're just gonna move this shit this way and then put it down a little bit right here.
Hey Dwayne, what's going on? This is my boy Dwayne. This is the guy who runs the show. This is the guy. I don't have some meetings. ¿Quiero más? ¿Quiero más aquí? ¿Quiero más aquí? Tú no te eso. Tú te eso. Follow me. Alright. No, I never seen no shit like that. I've never seen no shit like that. I never seen it up. This is somehow the water's not coming out of the wall. Coming out of the... This is the back over here. This is coming up the niche. So whenever you want to put it in the niche, I think that's what you have. That's how you put it in the niche.
A lot of shit you see, temporary.
Temporary?
We're not done.
No, I know. I've never seen no shit like this. Something like that.
Show them my clean cuts, show them my... You might get a fucking paper cut just doing that.
3 different restrooms. We had to take out this whole top panel for the roof right here. It was fully covered in a big box, basically white space. So we're making the restroom bigger now. And right here, as you see, all these brand new woods, brand new framing. It was all moldy. Full of mold. Yeah, full of mold, so we had to replace that. Nice. Here we are.
Let me show you what's going on right here. So when we decided where we wanted it, like level the same height as this one, make sure you're in the same height as that one. Cut out your little box. We had a little 2x4, so gonna cut that shit out with one of these. Once we do that, I'm gonna show you guys how to use this tool. I'm gonna actually go get it right now, so that way I can turn off the power before I start fishing them over to this side. Alright guys, so right here we have the switch to these lights, and then this alley right here. Let me show you guys how to use this one right here. So you want to scan this right here. You see how it turns red? And then come with me, I'll show you guys how this thing works right here.
It's a tracer.
Oh my god.
How this thing works, right? Walking around looking like the Clue Clubs.
Looking like the Clue Clubs.
And what you want to do, this thing, you want to, can they see? Is there enough light here?
Yeah.
You want to run this shit like through the breakers. And you see how none of it, how it didn't turn red? And you just keep on going. You scan all of these things right here. Is this one right here. You see this one, I had already labeled them before, like with the letter X and Y, because I was trying to figure out which ones go to which bedrooms, and I was walking back and forth like a crazy guy labeling them because I didn't have one of these things. But now that we have one, let me show you guys what we just did. Alright guys, you see how now we have no more power right here? There's no more power on this thing, that's why this shit's not lighting up. If you guys don't trust this thing or this thing, they sell these little things too. You just fucking grab it and then you touch all the wires that are hot, which would be the black ones. And there's no more power to any of these wires. You guys got that? Alright, let me show you. I already took this outlet off right here. Disconnected like the grounds and the hot from this side. On these sides right here.
And now we're doing the same too. I'm gonna do the same thing with this one right here. Like there's no power on this stuff, so you're okay.
I'm sticking my hand through the back here.
And luckily like there's not really like that right here, like to pull the wire through.
And like that gives me enough, so that way I could I could connect. I'm gonna try and do the same thing with this one that's coming here from the top. Damn it, boy. Yeah, we don't have enough, so I'm gonna just take off this one cable and bring it back here. Alright guys, so I have all the wires here already, as you can see. Luckily, like, there's no 2x4 right here to like block these wires from going through. And then there's still this one on the top with the shorties, and I'm gonna show you guys how to fix that. I'm gonna try and use the same box because I don't want to go to the store buy a new one. It's screwed in like right here and right here. There's 2 screws. I'm gonna just do the same thing, like but screw it in onto this 2x4 right here down there, just because it happens to be there. Alright guys, so I took the box out. It was screwed in, and then it was nailed in also. This is where the nail goes in through that hole right there. I had one on this side right here, but I just like bent it off and then like cleaned it up with the blade a little. First, you want to fish these wires through these holes. I found this piece of wire. I'm gonna take these pieces out. Just pull them out of the sleeve that it's in. And then what I'm gonna do, these wire nuts right here, I'm gonna put the black and black together, the white and white together, and the ground, this one right here, the one that's just bare copper. Now can you guys see what I did? What I was talking about? Alright guys, so I did end up taking this piece right here just because like these wires, I didn't want them to expose. I'm gonna pass it back through here. And then, sorry, I'm trying to record and do this with one hand. I have them. I'm gonna shove them in this hole right here. So right here we got the wire that was coming from the top. Over here, this is gonna be for the light switch. This is also for the light switch right here. One that had nothing, and this one is the GFI.
Here, I found this. You can keep it.
This is mine. What are you talking about? I had this one. You see, that's how I know it's mine. You see that shit right there? It was definitely mine. I screwed the box down to the wooden 2x4 that was right here. And that's the box. That's how it looks right now. I'm gonna wire it up now for you guys. Alright guys, so you can see I already wired this thing up. Right here we got the 2 blacks for the switch. We put the whites together. And then we got the ground, the black on the gold, the white on the silver, the ground on the ground. So you guys can see that it's working. There you go. And then right here, you wrap them with tape so you can shove them in. Like the wires don't touch where they're connected to the hots. And they'll short it. That's in, that's working. I'm gonna show you guys how to fucking patch this hole right here. Alright, simple, easy peasy. Right here on the bottom, we got like 4 3/4, so I marked the 4 3/4, and right here we have like 4 inches. So I'm gonna cut a piece of sheetrock like 4 inches by 4 3/4. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how to cut this drywall. So right there, I got my square. I put it at 4 inches. I got my knife. I gave it a little kiss with the knife like that. You don't have to cut all the way through, and then you just boom, snap that shit in half. And you cut the back. And then we got our piece, right? I ended up putting this 2x4 right here for backing. Get my piece. And now, that's fucking perfect right there. This is what you want to do. You want to grab a few screws, put it on your drill, and screw that bitch in right there. That's good.
Grab another screw. Put this on right there. Come over here. Screw it.
And that's how you do it. Then we're gonna tape it, throw some mud on there, let it dry, and then add some texture. Alright guys, we have my brother. I hear you got that 20.
San Antonio. It's that Salt Bay action. What you want is peanut butter.
You want that peanut butter, babe?
Does your audience know what peanut butter is?
They know what peanut butter is.
Are you sure? Show them that. That's what peanut butter looks like. If you guys didn't know. When you guys open a can of peanut butter, that's what it looks like. Then what you do is you scrape. Always scrape your edge. Always. Always scrape your edge. You don't gotta look for it too much. Then what you do, it's not, come on guys, it doesn't take long. Don't gotta look pretty, you're just putting the mud on there. Yes, for fun. Always put your 5 tape, if not, your shit's gonna crack and they will call you back. Letting that shit out. Madre. A beginner would let this to dry, sand, and then come back for a second coat. But over here, we know what we're doing on this side of town. Remove your edges, guys. That's the first step. Once you remove your edges, rest is history.
Abracadabra, baby.
Abracadabra.
Give it a little sanding right now when it dries. We don't like Teflon.
I don't like Teflon. Man, always clean your tools.
Always clean your tools. So that's how it's done, little bud. We're getting everything clean. They're gonna put a fucking walk-in shower right here. That's all we got going on for today. I already finished my part here. It's hard to find work like good ass work, you know, so you gotta take care of your workers like as Dean. Over here we got the big man cleaning.
You know how we roll?
This still has to dry up a little bit more before we come and give it the final coat. There you go, baby. There you go. Alright, what's up, YouTube? It's 6 o'clock. We're on our way home already. We cleaned the house. We mopped. We've cleaned all the dust and shit. That's how we did it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I mean, I hope you guys learned something from this video. Hope you guys found it entertaining, and if you did, go ahead and drop that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for some more.